Welcome to Rustic Scoop's sourdough baking class. We are so excited to have you here. We have lots of different things to teach you today, so get ready to learn everything you need to know about making gluten-free sourdough. Oop, there we go. Okay, and you're just gonna stir. You're gonna crunch it up. It might come already powdery from being in the mail, and that's totally fine. So you want to make sure that you crunch it all up in here. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to go kind of deep. Again, this is my where to rise cut. My loaf looked beautiful on the outside, but on the inside there's a huge open crater. We've done this. Fun times. At the top, and the bread is all gummy at the bottom. It definitely means that your loaf was way overproofed. You want to bake it sooner, or if you put it in a Dutch oven, you likely put too many ice cubes. You got ice cube happy, which is what happened to me. In your Dutch oven, it can't use that much liquid. It is amazing on the inside with a nice crusty outside. We are so excited for you to be able to do this yourself. We know you can do it. Hopefully you saw how simple it really is. We gave you lots of instruction that was long, but the actual process of making it hands-on is 5-10 minutes maybe. Super simple, super easy, and it is going to give you amazing gluten-free, top 9 allergen-free sourdough bread that you can feed anybody. Everybody loves this bread, and once you can perfect making this sourdough loaf, you can go on to making other amazing sourdough things as well.